makes that save.
Killorn's had another really good, strong game here. A couple of points. Really good plays. Set up some opportunities. Playing the big, heavy game there, too. Walking to the paint.
Half a minute to go here in St. Louis. Longest road trip of the season, a 5-gamer. Mikkola puts that one deep, picked up by Chernak. Chernak sends this one out to center ice. Tucker backs up. Pass goes off a skate. Losing to need a miracle now. This one looks like it's over as it goes into the corner. Snap back around to Cole, and this is going to do it. The Tampa Bay Lightning are going to start this long road trip with a 4-2 win tonight in St. Louis.
Look at that. Impressive.
23 saves along the way. Braden Point, 2 more goals, number 24 and 25. And it's on to Seattle to face the Kraken. 3 wins in a row for the Lightning. They will certainly take this and move on. A reminder, Lightning Live postgame's coming up. Brought to you by Advent Health. Paul Kennedy and Dave Andrechek and Gabby Shirley. On behalf of my partner, Brian Engblom, this is Dave Brano saying, talk to you on Monday.
See you Monday.